Welcome to the Asset Module tutorial. To begin, please log in using your credentials. Once logged in, select the \asset button from the sidebar. This will take you to the Asset Module. At the top, you will find a search feature with options to filter by serial number, manufacturer, model, location, and RAM. Below this, a detailed list of all assets added to the system will be displayed, populated by the data retrieved from the executable file. Please note that while the serial number and model information is sourced directly from the executable, the location data is populated when the asset is mapped to an item in the inventory. Next, you will see an option to view user. Clicking this will provide detailed information about the user to whom the asset is currently assigned. Under the Action tab, the View button allows users to access comprehensive information about the selected asset, including technical specifications such as model, manufacturer, storage, and RAM. Additionally, inventory information will be available, which is linked to any item in the Inventory tab, detailing the category, asset tag, model name, and brand. Moving on, the Maintenance dashboard displays the history of any maintenance performed on the asset. The Asset History section outlines the full life cycle of the asset, including current and previous assignments along with the dates of each transition. In the Activity Logs section, users can select a specific time range to view the asset's location history, which is tracked by the executable present on the asset. Users can tap on the map to see the approximate location. We also offer an export function that enables users to download the asset data in CSV format for external use. If you wish to add an asset manually, you can do so without running the executable at this moment. Simply fill in the serial number, and the remaining information, such as model and processor, will be automatically fetched by the executable once it is run later. Finally, there is an option to set up a QR printer. By clicking this, users will access a comprehensive guide on setting up the TSC printer. This feature allows users to print asset information in QR format, which can be affixed to the asset for easy scanning and access to its specifications. If you encounter an error, then it indicates that the printer is not connected via USB. Please check your connections. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.